So, trusted knife. Here's the new Rode mic, and it's got a 2-year warranty on it. It's pretty compact. Let's unbox it very quickly, and then what we'll do is we'll switch over and give you an audio recording of this from the actual microphone compare, so you can see exactly what the phone sounds like on what the actual sounds like when running off this new little microphone here. So let's get this opened up pretty quickly. What do we get inside the pack? I'm sure many of you have seen some of these before, but it's a good way of testing. So we have a very nice package, silicone absorbent inside it, something about some documentation. Here's the little sound muffler, and here's the microphone itself. So let's see if I can slide this one out. It's a little bit tight. So there's the microphone, there's its holder. Don't think it makes any difference which way around it works. There's its way to screw it down and screw it up again. So let's just pop this into its holder. Imagine it probably just goes in like that, or maybe it goes in the other way around. I guess it probably is easier to go like that. Yeah, let's go that way around. There we go. It's now held in place. So there's the microphone. Here's the little lead that goes out the back of it. So one side goes to the mic, one side goes to the camera. They look pretty similar in their look. So let's put it on like that. Plug in the audio side, etc. So what do we have? So what do we have going on here? So we have the user manual. There's the user manual. The packaging, the windsock. It's very fluffy. I've seen a few people have actually cut back the fluff in the past. The microphone itself and its little stand, and I'm just going to use it in this format because I have no wind noise, and let's hear it without the windsock, and then we'll put it with the windsock on. So we now have the camera running with its new external microphone on. I'm hoping that the audio just on it works correctly. So what do we have inside the user manual? We have a picture of the actual device itself with some description on it. We show the windsock, and then which way round the actual connector should get plugged in, and that's about it really. Something to do with plugging it into the camera, and then how you would adjust the audio record levels manually. So I need to just make sure that I've done the audio setup correctly on the camera, so that I can hear how we sound. I may have to record this again because it may be completely the wrong audio level. So the final audio test now, it's got the windsock over the top of it. Maybe that's making some difference. I noticed that there's quite a bit of echo. We're in my kitchen, so you're getting a bit of sort of echo from the surrounding area. So hopefully that makes a more interesting comparison for you to actually listen to the sound with the windsock on, windsock off, and then the camera just recording the audio properly. So again, if you like this video, if this was really helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is going to be my stock camera carrying forward for recording audio and also video data, and I'll play around with making sure that the audio sounds a lot better. I'll probably do some post-process on the audio as well in future videos, just to try and improve the audio sound quality as well, to make sure that we're getting the maximum quality that we can get with the way that we can actually present these videos. Like everything, please like and subscribe. The other button works as well, I'm told. So make sure to follow us on YouTube, and the rest of the unboxings will follow now for the other items.